special.
Isra, what is it? It is Bodhi fish biryani. Yes, it is one of the most delicious and yummy food, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see how our mother is preparing the fish biryani.
Okay.
Let's do it.
To a heavy bottom pan, add some oil. When it's properly heated, add the marinated fish cubes. Fish is marinated with lemon juice, red chili, turmeric, pepper powder and salt. Marinate for about 6 hours. Flip the fish cubes after 2 to 3 minutes and shallow cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now keep it aside to a clean plate. Same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 2 cups of onions. Always prepare in the same pan which we fried the fish. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes into the onions and saute well till the tomatoes are smashed well into the onion. 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and 3 tablespoons of one cup of curd. Half cup of grated coconut. Now grind to a smooth mix. Now add the green chili garlic paste into the onion and tomatoes. Saute well till the raw smells goes. Now add half a slice lemon juice into the mix and half spoon of turmeric, half spoon of garam masala, half spoon of pepper powder. You can adjust according to your taste and spice level. Then salt according to the taste. Now add half cup of chopped coriander leaves and half cup of mint leaf into the mix. Mix it well. Now our mix is almost done. Last, add the fried fish cubes into the mix. Now don't stir it so much so that the fish can break. Just mix it, close the lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes. For garnishing the biryani, to some oil, add thinly sliced onion and saute it well till it gets caramelized. Now add handful of raisins and cashews. Now the fried onion is ready. Now let's make the rice for the biryani. Soak 4 cups of basmati rice for about 30 minutes. Drain it well. To a pan, add the drained basmati rice. Add half spoon of ghee. Then some spices. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. I used 4 cups of basmati rice. To that add, for 4 cups I use 7 cups of hot water. Add to the rice and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes till the water has properly been absorbed and it forms a well cooked rice. Add salt according to the taste. Close the lid and let it cook for about some time. Add half spoon of lemon juice so that the rice doesn't stick well. Now our rice is ready. It's non-sticky. It's been cooked for about 80%. Let's assemble the fish podi biryani. To a banana leaf, properly washed. Add some rice. Now add the fried onion. Add the fish masala. On top of that, add just 1 scoop of rice moor. Now cover the banana leaf. This really gives the flavor to our biryani. Tie it all together. Now let's place in the oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. If you don't have oven, you can just keep over the steamer and just steam it in very low flame. Let's go to the oven. Our fish for the biryani is ready. Let's taste it.
The fish podi biryani is ready. Now it's in the fancy cover.
So let's open.
You didn't open it?
I'm
3, 2, 1.
my style.
Oh, again.
My style. Wow, that's nice. But I'm okay
Wow,
now.
look at it, guys.
Oh, another one.
Smells so good.
Oh, one more. Two of them. How
Oh
many?
my god. You didn't open?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
opening.
Oh, I want to eat it so
Bad.
Yeah. Now let's eat it. 3, 2, 1. Go. The smell of banana is so good, yeah? The
Yeah.
banana. Let's start eating.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1.
Now. It is so yummy. We have so many things. It is chamandi,
A salad.
salad, and fish
Puri curry.
pole curry.
Yes.
So let's eat. We can try all of. Let's try the jumping spoon and try it. Okay, that is good. Now also need. Here, put it here.
I'm going to take it.
I'm going to take it.
Mmm. There's lots of fish inside the biryani.
Yeah, because we have got. Let's try the fish.
Yes. I got a piece.
I think it is so hot for the fish.
You want?
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Mmm, yummy.
It is so
It's
good.
so good.
Yeah.
It's little bit spicy. Now that's it for the video. If you like our videos,